Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe Z51 3LT in Laguna Blue on Kalahari leather interior. So we'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle. We've got the trunk lid popped. I've got the color matched removable target top placed here nicely in the trunk. As you can see, it's in very nice condition. On the ends here we can pull, and underneath we do have a storage space that can still be utilized. With the 3LT you get the nice Alcantara finished headliner. Down below here we do have storage. We do have a cargo netting here for holding your items in place. Snap that back into place and close the trunk lid here. It does have soft close, so it simply pulls itself shut. On the back we've got the color matched Laguna Blue Z51 style rear spoiler. We've got the chrome badge package, carbon flash surrounds around the tail lights, and we've got the NPP quad exhaust. So the two outer ports do have dampers on them that open and close electronically based on your setting to make the exhaust louder or quieter based on your preference. So we do have the rear diffusers here on the bumper, which is an upgrade as well. And we'll just shift around this side here. We'll have a look at the rear wheel. So this one has the nice Z51 style chrome rims. We've got red calipers, nice heavy duty brakes, and Michelin tires. Along the side here we've got some upgraded carbon flash side skirts. Looks great. And here's your door panel for your passenger side. So we've got the Kalahari stitch, the Kalahari accent against the ebony. We've got power windows, power locks, and we also have that nice 10 speaker Bose stereo. Here's the kick plate on the passenger side. So it's the upgraded Stingray kick plate. This one's in pretty good shape there. I'm sure there's a mark or two. Yeah, there's some very faint marks there just from getting out, but overall that's in really good shape. For our power seat, we do have power forward, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustments. We also have the nice fuzzy upgraded Stingray mats, and I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Awesome. And as we get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy. We'll check out the glove box here. So we do not have books with this one. We do have a wheel lock key, and this one has nice Kalahari stitch there as well as up here. And we've got our heated and cooled seat control for the passenger, temperature display, and temperature control. Again, with the 3LT you get the nice Alcantara micro sueded A-pillars that go up and over, as well as on the roof liner itself. So I'll just show you the upper dash here while we're on this side. Looks good. And now let's hop out and we'll just step to the back of the vehicle, and I'll scan along this side of the car so you can see the condition. As you can see there, it also has the rear vents done in carbon flash as well. Looks great. And I'll just slowly move along here so you can see. Paint's in really good shape, as you can see. And there's your front chrome Stingray badge with the carbon flash insert. There's another look at those side skirts. And here's your front wheel. So again, nice chrome rims. We've got the heavy duty brakes, red calipers, Michelin tires. And then under the hood, so we've got the V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 460 horsepower. That's paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. And we'll just have a look. Everything is nice and neat and tidy in here. Looks good. In the corner here, you do have your dry sump oil, which is a part of the Z51 package. That also gives you a rear differential cooler, rear transmission cooler, beefed up Z51 suspension, and then this one also has the MagRide FE4 suspension, so you can control the ride feel electronically. So if it's in touring mode, it's going to be a softer ride. If you put it in sport mode, it's going to firm it up and make it feel like it's riding on rails. As you can see, we've got the nice Stingray hood mat there, and then there is 2 keys and 2 remotes with this one. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the hood, and we'll shift around to the front. Here it is from the front. So it's got an upgraded splitter on it that has diffuser pieces that go up in front of the wheel there. Very neat look. And I'll just move around on it. There's a little bit of scuffing underneath. I can see there's a little bit of scuffing there. We'll try our best to clean that up. It's very mild, as you can see. Overall, the front lip looks very nice. We've got the chrome piece in the grille there. We've got our front curb view camera, and we've got another curb view camera here on this side. There's your headlights. So we've got the nice black housing, projector HID headlight, LED daytime running light, LED turn signal. We've got the nice carbon flash insert for the grille and our chrome badge there. In terms of condition, just take a close look here. see if there's anything to point out. So this is pretty clean. Let's see what these are. There's one little stone chip right there that we'll touch up, and just go along here. We'll see if there's anything else. That's nothing. Yeah, it looks good. So I just see the one stone chip. I see a few little tiny marks here, but I think those are going to come out when we polish it. That's a little mild stone chip. They're the size of a pinhead. Again, we're going to clean those up when we polish. So we'll carry on. Here's your other front wheel. So again, nice chrome rims. Those are the Z51 chrome wheels. We've got the red calipers, heavy duty brakes, Michelin tires, and same thing here on the back. Fantastic. So we'll move up to the driver's side. So again, we've got the nice ebony door panel. It's got the Kalahari accent, Kalahari stitch. We've got power windows, power locks. We've got 2 years of programmable memory for your mirrors, steering wheel, and seats. Electronic door release, that nice 10-speaker Bose stereo. And then here's your kick plate on the driver's side. So again, very mild scuffing. Overall, I'd say that panel's in pretty good shape. Again, you've got the upgraded Stingray mats and our power seats. So power 4, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar and side bolster adjustments. And we'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. Fantastic. So as we get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and tidy. And let's get in and fire this one up. There we are. So in terms of kilometers, we have 35,553. No warning lights or issues there on the dash. Nice full tank of gas. Over here, we've got our cruise control buttons. Just below that is our favorites or track change. These guys here. And then over on this side here, we have volume controls. Up top, we've got the arrow keys, which work the dash. So I'll just show you that. We've got info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and settings. Above that, telephone hang up, telephone answer, and voice command, paddle shifter plus and minus. And again, the nice baseball stitching on the steering wheel. Over here, we've got our mirror control. We've got our heads-up display controls. This has the nice upgraded carbon fiber dash. We've got our dash dimmer switch. Down below, trunk release and motion alarm on and off. And then we do have a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel. On this side here, you got push button start. We've got our behind screen storage with USB port. And here's your screen. So you got audio, which is AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming, USB auxiliary line in. Telephone controls. Projection is Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. We've got full factory navigation here. And settings, PDR. So PDR is performance data recorder. So there's actually a little camera up here in this little slot here in the mirror. And you can place an SD card in the glove box and record your lap times and things like that with the camera. So it's similar to a dash cam, but not quite. So neat feature. If we go back, we've got cameras. So there's your reverse camera. If I put it in drive, there's your front curb view cameras letting you know how close you are to the curb. And here's your temperature control for the driver. So I'll just turn that. So you can see there's the drivers, there's the passenger. You can sync the two together. And then we've got heated and cooled seat for the driver and secondary controls for the passenger. Here's your nice Corvette Stingray placard. We'll put it in park. There's your 8-speed automatic shifter, leather wrap boot, baseball stitch. We've got our 12-volt socket. We've got our cup holder, emergency brake, and our mode selector. So when we twist the mode selector, we get touring, sport, track, weather, eco, and back to touring. So that can change your exhaust, your suspension feel, acceleration, and steering feel. In here, we do got 2 USBs, an auxiliary line in, and a 12-volt socket. There's your frameless auto dimming rear view mirror with OnStar. And there's our HomeLink garage door buttons. This isn't dimming right now, but the driver's side mirror is auto dimming as well. So now we'll hop out with the running. We'll have a look and a listen. Nice sound to it. And I'll just show you here from the front with the headlights on so you can see what that looks like. Nice bright projectors. There it is from the front. Love the blue with the Kalahari. What a great look. We'll just move along this side of the vehicle so you can see the condition. Again, we have not polished this car yet. It looks fantastic the way it is, but we're going to make it look even better when we're done. Here it is from the back. Nice rumble to the exhaust. Nice light solar ray tinted glass. And there you have it, folks. 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe Z51 3LT in Laguna Blue on Kalahari interior with the chrome rims. Here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.